The sun was setting softly behind the clouds, painting the sky with golden light. In a small, peaceful neighborhood lived a cheerful boy named Ahmad. He was 6 years old, full of questions and story, always holding his mother's hand wherever they went. One afternoon, while returning from the park, Ahmad spotted a toy shop across the street. Mama, can I please go look at those toys? He asked, his eyes wide with excitement. His mother smiled gently. Not today, Ahmad. We will come together tomorrow, inshallah. But Ahmad, being playful and eager, talked away just a little and ran ahead across the street. Within second, a tall woman walking out of the shop noticed Ahmad alone and bent down. Where's your mother, little boy? She asked with a smile that did not reach her eyes. She is coming, Ahmad said nervously. Looking back, the woman grabbed his arm lightly. Come inside. I will show some toys. Just then, an unfamiliar voice cut through the air. Ahmad. It was his mother, her face pale, heart racing. She rushed forward and pulled him close. Always stay with me, Ahmad, she whispered. People do not treat children like their own. Only a mother knows your heart. The woman backed away, realizing she had been noticed. Ahmad looked up, eyes filled with tears, not because of fear, but because he finally understood. Mama, I thought people were kind like you, he whispered. His mother kneeled down, holding his face gently. My dear, the world has good people, but also some who may harm. That's why Allah gave children parents to protect them. That night, Ahmad lay on bed, hugging his mother tightly. Will you always be with me, Mama? As long as I live, my son, and even when I am gone, Allah will watch over you. Ahmad smiled, eyes slowly closing. In his heart, he knew something important now. Never wander alone, never leave the warmth of a loving hand. Moral of the story, always keep your children close. In your presence, they are safe. Trust should be earned, not assumed. Children should be taught to never go anywhere without their parents or a trusted guardian. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the story, please don't forget to subscribe my channel.